Hey, I'm Dallas Tung with Keller Williams Realty. I'm here at this new construction site. One of my clients building a home here in Inspirada, and just here to check out the structurals and make sure everything looks good. Let's take a tour. All right, before we go inside, in the front, you have this patio cover area all throughout the whole front of the house. It's wider back there, but right there, you have seating here, and then in there you can have more seating and tables in there, and your view is right at the park. Coming in from the front entrance, to this side, you have the vaulted ceilings. This is the family room area. And then you have the two windows and then windows to the courtyard. Now, this is also an option to do the upgrade sliding doors. However, this homeowner did not, they didn't upgrade that. So, but still, lots of windows, a lot of lighting on this side. Then when you come over here, you can see here's your covered patio area. This will be the kitchen with L-shaped countertop, quartz, and then all your appliances and cabinetry. Built-in fridge over here, and then your pantry over here. Now we're gonna head towards the back of the house. You got the stairs to go up. We'll talk about that next. This way you have the office washing closet for guests. You got the primary over here, and then you have the laundry room here. As we walk into this garage, it's a tandem, so you can't really park a third car in here, but it's great for workshops, storage, all that kind of stuff. Back in the house, we're walking through into the primary bedroom, and the primary bedroom added the upgraded sliding doors to the courtyard, and that is where the living room is. And then as we walk in, this is the bedroom area, and then it's dual hers and hers walk-in closet. And then as you keep going through, the water closet, and then you have a vanity right here. As we turn around this way, you have the tub and shower. Master bathroom, you see these windows. There's two single-story homes right there, which is perfect. The windows, you get privacy. You don't have a two-story there, so people can't look into the bathroom. Coming upstairs, we have this open area for another family room, and then behind here you can see the single story, so lots of lighting and more views. And then as we come this way, you have a full bath here and another bedroom there. Entering this bedroom, as you can see, there's that single-story home that doesn't obstruct the Sloan Mountain area for nice views. There's two windows here. On the left window, you can also see Black Mountain, great views, lots of lighting. So from the left, on the front of the house, you have full bath and then two bedrooms with a balcony. And let's take a look at the view of the balcony. Now we're in the room with a balcony, more seating area, and then you have great views of Red Rock Mountain, Mount Charleston, everything. This is the end of the tour, but just to mention the specs of the house: 3-bed, 3.5 bath, about 3,500 square feet. And with all the options they added and everything, this is they're coming out the door at $860,000 here in West Henderson. If you're interested in seeing more homes or looking at resale, contact me, 702-686-1668, or email me at dallas@kwvegas.com. Thanks.